running from the cops. Está loco el güey.
The fuck, dude?
Bro, right here. This nigga just hit my shit. Yup, dumbass bitch. Dumbass nigga. Yeah, yeah. You stupid ass bitch. Yeah, you dumbass bitch.
So you need to put a general apology out at the house just about the car mats. Okay, so you go back. Somebody can then, write a paper about and know all about how the hydrogen bomb works or something, but know that they're not working.
What car?
Yeah.
And I asked him if he needed to move the back a little bit, but it's fine.
Holy. I gotta go. Everything, we're okay, all right?
My truck's really low, so... Holy fuck! Oh my god, that guy's spinning out of control! Oh! Holy fuck! Oh my god! Holy shit, that guy got fucking yeeted! shit. Oh.
Whoa. Oh, shit.
Grain, a lot of it maize corn, is stuck there because Odessa's ports, through which 98% of the grain
Big really, man.
Older, we may fall and break our hips, and so you're thinking about all this stuff, whereas you're drinking the favorite thing that you're happy to wake up for. Anyway,
I find the same thing. And if I sit and meditate and just get myself quiet a little bit, it helps.
Holy shit.
I'm not multitasking.
There we go. No heat, nigga. Hey, no. Let's go. Hello.
Oh.
COVID called Talking Sopranos, where they went back and watched the whole series all over again.
Oh my God.
He published his first novel, The Perfume Burned His Eyes.
What the fuck?
I work in 7 hours, so the last 2 hours go by really slow.
Yeah.
Oh shit me! Jesus Christ, it's icy! Oh my god, I thought I was gonna die! Oh my god! Oh Jesus!
that gives me time to pack them and ship them.
and shit. Oh! Oh!
Okay, what?
What?
Who was in the wrong?
Blue.
Where was he coming from?
What's up, dude?
What's up, boss?
You got a problem?
Issue?
You got a problem?
Got an issue?
I don't know. Do you have a problem?
You're following me, brother.
You're the one over here cutting me off, brake checking me. I got you on camera, buddy.
I don't care. You're following me.
It's okay. I got your tags. I got your tags.
You got me on camera?
Yep, I got your tags.
Camera, and you're following me, right?
It's okay. You're gonna receive a ticket later.
Go ahead.
All right. Have a great day.
Oh, by the way, in the distant future, as
Target's 888-227-8255 below. You're on Car Talk. That has possibilities, you know?
And he didn't. Making his own lane with the new diverging diamond interchange at Abernathy. Jesus.
Gosh. Oh my dude. Oh my.
You fucking dumbass.
Playing like that. I thought Demko was going to be the captain, then we'll trade him.
Whoa! What the fuck?
Back in 2 weeks, just before the trade deadline.
What was that?
Win last night from Christopher. Why?
چاری کار چی کنه؟
Yeah, come on.
Can I show you the tattoo even though I have spray tan?
Oh my god.
Whoa!
Basic coverage excludes tires, corrosion coverage, and federal and California emission performance and defect coverage. Other terms and conditions also apply. See